Just doing a little bit of hand preparation at home with my Opinel number 8 Stanley blade. That's an old toothbrush and one of the kids' paintbrushes. This is how it's come out. So these are the paddle digits at the beginning. So that's 1, that's 2. This little one here is around 40mm diameter. This one here, I don't even know what bone that is. It's a huge half round bone, and you can see the big paddle digits here. That one. So you've got one big bone, 2 paddle digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's at 12 all in. This is about an hour and a half, 2 hours of home preparation, and this is what we got. I'm actually amazed. Obviously it needs a professional to properly make it look amazing, but I've got all these bits here and that one there, and there's more coming off this side, but that is about 2 hours work. It's cool.